In this video, I want to talk about how you can be a Shein reviewer job. Now, the easiest way to do this is you want to go to your profile, select free trial, come to the home page, and once you're in here, these are the products that you can do the reviews on. So simply press free trial, put in your address, and once you receive the item, you want to do an honest review of the item. And then what you can do is come in here and you can see the ones that you applied. Now, if they get reviewed, you're going to get points. And if it's a high quality review, you'll get even more points and even more chances at free trials. So you can see you'll have free this week. And what will happen is if you get approved many times, you will be the product reviewer. Now, if you want to make some money with this, I suggest that you do the affiliate. So when you review, you want to do it on any platform where you can have a social following like Instagram, TikTok, any of these. Sign up to the affiliate program. Just click on your profile on your phone. This only works for the phone. Here, affiliate, or you can just search here and search affiliate. Sign up and link one of these where you also review the products. Then you wanna get the link that you get if you're eligible, and you wanna share this with your following, and you will then earn commission whenever they buy something. So this is the best way to make a lot of money with this. But if you just wanna do some reviews, you can do that for free in here. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.